What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I'm going to do Air Jordan 36 Luka Doncic player exclusive. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here, just like another colorways, you can see the lace is not placed right in the middle of the embroidery here, and it was too close with the string, whereas the authentic there is a lot more gap here. And also this one, the embroidery here is too close with the stitching. Compared to the authentic, here is the embroidery too close with the logo on the bottom. Another sample, still same, it's too close, there is no gap here, little bit gap. This one also looking terrible. Moving to the other side of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, still same. By the way, it's not placed right in the middle, it was too close with the string. This one also looking terrible, it's slightly come up here, the lace hole, you can see. Moving from above, you can see the line I put on it, the red line is different, right? This one is the direction of this toe box, the pattern is different. Take a closer look, still same. This one is white, this one is looking like this, spinning around to the back of the shoes. You can see the difference of the Nike Air color on the fake, just like this blue, this one is silver. Also this one, you can see the line is not placed right in the middle like the authentic here, it's placed right in the middle, but this one is just slightly to the left. And this one also, look at the line here, a lot more slanted than the authentic, it's just horizontal here, the color is different. And this one, the outsole here, just same. Around here is around the air zone, has a lot more gap, but this one is not, slightly come up. This one there's no gap here. This one also there's no gap on the right here and on top of this. And the insole here, you can see the colors, there is it's blue or a little bit green. This one is all yellow and red. This is the fake box label. This one also, this is fake box label, looks like. This one, the tag inside the shoes. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you understand, I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you and see you on the next video.